Assalamu alaikum. I was here with two more oven baked easy breezy wings recipes, Tikka Nibbles and spicy cheesy nibbles. Both are oven baked and finger licking good. They are super for snacking on, great for lunch with some salad, or even better for dinner with some rice. If you're a chicken wings lover just like me and my family, then you can have these any time of the day with some mayo dip. As I previously said, we love to eat chicken wings, which also means that I have to come up with different recipes to satisfy our cravings. The first recipe, Tikka Nibbles, is the easiest to make with only a few ingredients. This is my go to recipe if I want to quickly bake some wings. Here are all the ingredients you'll need: 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, quarter cup lemon juice, and 2 packs of tikka masala for 3 kg wings. I have removed the ends of the wings and cut them into two. Here's how you make them. Pour everything on top of the wings, mix them thoroughly and marinate for at least an hour. If you can marinate them overnight, that's perfect, but if you don't have that much time, then an hour will also do. After marination, line a baking tray with a foil and place them on top. Place the filled baking tray in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take them out of the oven and flip them. Once flipped, place them in the oven again, but now put them on the top rack and switch on the grill. Grill them for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Once grilled, they'll look like this, and that's it. They're ready to be served. I made the dip with mayonnaise, sour cream, and Dijon mustard and served the wings with some garlic bread and sweet potato fries. These tikka nibbles turned out to be really yummy, and it was like we were having mini chicken tikkas. The garlic bread and fries went very well with it. The second wing recipe is spicy cheesy nibbles. They are delicious as hell. This was my first time combining wings and cheese together, and oh man, they turned out awesome. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to marinate the wings: 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon Italian herb mix, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper or red chili powder, 1 teaspoon each salt and pepper. I have used 1 teaspoon of each. You can add them according to your taste. Quarter cup ghee or clarified butter, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and 3 kg wings, ends removed and cut into two. For the cheesy topping, you'll need 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup shredded mozzarella, 1/4 cup chili sauce. Here's how you'll make spicy cheesy wings. Mix lemon juice, ghee, ginger garlic paste and all the spices together and pour them on the wings. Mix them thoroughly and let it marinate. Marinate it for 2 hours minimum and maximum overnight. After marination, line your baking tray with foil and place all the wings on the tray. Place them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 30 minutes, flipping in between. Meanwhile, the wings are baking, mix both the cheese together and pour chili sauce on it. Mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. Once the wings are done, pull out the tray and pour out the excess water or oil from the tray. Bring all the wings together and sprinkle the spiced up shredded cheese on top of the wings. Place it in the oven again for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or until the cheese melts and turns golden. Once golden, pull it out of the oven and let the wings cool down for 5 to 10 minutes before transferring it to the platter. These cheesy spicy wings were bomb. They tasted so good that I've been making them again and again. I made this garlic mayo dip by mixing together some mayonnaise, sour cream and garlic powder. I serve these yummy spicy cheesy wings or nibbles with some homemade no yeast dinner rolls and some salad. So here were my 2 recipes for chicken wings and serving suggestions to go with it. Both of these recipes are keto friendly. Just remember to have them with salad and not with a dinner roll or garlic bread. Comment down below and let me know which one you like better. Thanks for watching and bye for now.